So we're gonna take apart the starter. Let's see if we can find something. I looked it up online. It seems like they were like $38. I found one on eBay. It's probably not OEM, but still, to check if the bike still works. So around with taxes, it were like $40 and some change. So what you want to do is, I believe that's 7mm. Make sure you have an O-ring here if you ever have to put it back on both of them. Just make sure you have all your screws and everything in order. So yeah, a lot of, oh yeah, it's probably toasted. That comes off. This goes like this. Make sure everything's in order. There's the washer. And that goes like that. So yeah, this is how this one looks. I don't know. It's a Mitsubishi. I don't know, maybe this is the original one. So let's see if I can remove this. Probably not. Probably have to unscrew this first. What is that? Is that 10? Yeah, that's a 10mm. Well, there's a lot of washers. Maybe make sure they're all in order when you're gonna put them back. Let's see if you tap it lightly. Yeah, if you tap it lightly, it's coming off. There's another washer, and that came off. And there's some washers inside. So I've seen on eBay this kit sells about $20-something. So we want to make sure it fits. Everything looks similar. But what I need, I feel like this piece and this piece, they're supposed to be bigger. This is A and B. They're supposed to be like a lot bigger, so they're touching this right here. So this is the old one. These are gone. And this is online, $20-something, the kit I bought. I don't think it's OEM, but it should do just fine, I believe. I'm just gonna replace this. So let's see. So to match it, make sure everything matches, and you have your washers and everything. Make sure you install them the right way, how you took it off. So before you take it off, make sure you install them the right way. So this is how the old one, it looks like pretty similar. If you look at it, see how big these are and how small these are. these are like gone, and I think that would cause your starter not to work. So yeah, if you don't want to buy the starter, you can buy a kit. For mine, it was $20-something with taxes, I believe. So let's replace it, make sure everything matches. And what you want to do, probably take all the washers off first. This one goes here. I usually like to put them like this so they're in order. So now take this, make sure you clean, there's nothing inside. I have a whole bunch of junks from the old one. And to install it, all it is should just pretty much fit pretty easy. It goes here, so you would wanna make sure everything fits. Let's see. Maybe it's supposed to go. Oh, it's supposed to be going this way, I think. Inside there. And I guess it's supposed to go like that. Just like that. Make sure. Yeah, make sure everything fits. Nice and snug. You put this here. Just like that. Okay, and then this nut is supposed to go, I believe, once you tighten the wire over there on the motorcycle. So that should do it. And what I would do, make sure you put this back, but clean this area up with the rag. So what you want to do is either wipe it. If that doesn't work, try to use a scuffing or alcohol or something. So once you're done, it's nice and clean. This goes inside here. Yeah, just don't forget that. Whatever belongs in there, make sure you put it back. Now, let's put this way. Just like that. Yeah, make sure it's nice and snug before you screw it in. And that's what I think should be right there. So that should do it on this. Now ready to install it. And that's how you rebuild the kit if you can get one under $20. So now you're ready to install it in your motorcycle. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.